Follicular unit extraction utilizing the AuraGraft device is a process where we harvest the individual follicle one at a time. And when we harvest it, we use a particular technique, a click and drag technique, which actually clips off the adipose tissue underneath the bulb of the graft, thereby harvesting and suctioning in the graft through the system into the collection canister. We're going to administer a lidocaine with epi block, and each patient is individual. The doctor will drive the process as to how much, where, and when the administration of the lidocaine with epi is given. When the technicians begin the process, they're going to harvest approximately 10 to 20 grafts, and what they're going to do is they're going to measure the depth of which the grafts lie below the skin. Every patient is different, and on our device we have a depth limiter, and that depth limiter needs to be cut to length, and that is dictated by the depth at which the grafts reside within that patient. After the grafts are collected into the collection canister, the collection canister is gathered by the technician, and the technician empties the collection canister into the petri dishes. The grafts are then separated, and they're separated by the counts of hair in each graft. So a 1 hair graft is one pile, a 2 hair graft, and so on. Once the recipient sites are created, we're going to refine the front hairline, and that is really a process of not only science but the art of hair restoration. And that is defining that front area, and that's the framing of the face, and that's the area that is most important, because that's what everyone sees when they look at your face, is including your front hairline, your temporal points, and then the bottom frame of your face. And after a period of time, they will begin to grow. The patient's expectation should be set at 9 to 12 months for their final result.